What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about Dogecoin here today. Look at where we are at now. We are at 54 cents here with Dogecoin. We were all the way up at 54.60, so we're doing all-time highs here with Dogecoin. Dogecoin has never been this high before, so this is really big news. And I hope everyone did yesterday what I told them to do, double down on your position, because I said we were about to have some huge gains here today, and we are having huge gains here with Doge. And honestly, if we were going to set another trend line, I would say it would look similar to this. As you can see, we did hit that peak, and now we're going down a little bit. So we are going to follow another trend line here. Remember, these trend lines, they can get broken at any time. So this is just a little short-term trend line. We could do anything that looks similar to this. Anything can happen right now with Doge because we had so much growth. So we could either shoot up or we could shoot down right now. But with all of this buying, all of these people that are buying in, we're not going to shoot down. We're only going to continue to go up. So look at here. When you look at the candlestick view, you see we have lots of buying right here, but we had lots of selling when we hit that dip. But this is good right now for Doge. Doge just has so much growth right now. No one can doubt Doge right now. We're at a point right now where we've really never been here at this point before. But let's go over here and check our market cap with Doge. So we're number 4 now with Doge. We overtook XRP. We are at $69 billion market cap. Yesterday I told you all that we were going to pass 70 billion market cap. I told you that we will pass XRP. We're at 69 billion. XRP used to be at 70 billion, so I guess some people might have took some money out of XRP to put in Doge. But anyway, look at this, 69.2 billion market cap. Next, we're gonna pass Binance coin. Once we get to $1, we will be number 3. So this is really big right now with Doge. So yeah, we're about to overtake Binance coin. Once we get to $1, then we'll be at $129 billion in market cap. Once we get there, we have $26.7 billion traded within the last 24 hours with Doge. Dogecoin is breaking records right here. It kind of scares me. I don't know what's gonna happen with it. I don't know if it's just gonna drop or jump at this point. But look at this, Dogecoin. The Doge intensifies. Yes, Doge Day was crazy. Now Doge Day is every day that we see. Dogecoin is inevitable. This is 100% correct. I said it in all my video. 1 Dogecoin equals 50 cents. This is true right now. 1 Dogecoin does equal 50 cents. And you could probably do it 9 times and still get the same answer. So yeah, 1 Dogecoin is 50 cents here. Let's go down and continue to look at all this here. Dogecoin is just one of the best cryptos ever. You can never scroll on Twitter and see so many memes for Bitcoin or anything else. But Dogecoin, you can always see this. Look, Dogecoin is sitting alone, sitting on the top 5 crypto market caps. So this is definitely right. We're sitting here as a big joke. Everyone else here is all serious, all the way up here, billions and trillions of dollars. Bitcoin at $1 trillion, and you just see Dogecoin just comes in. I guess you could say come in like a wrecking ball. That's how Dogecoin is coming in. Look, we're still rising here. We went from 54 cents, now we're at 55. So we're still breaking odds here with Dogecoin. And honestly, I was thinking about trying to get a better dollar cost average in. But I think I'm just gonna hold because I don't wanna miss out on anything. So I'm not gonna end up trying to get a better dollar cost average. I'm not gonna sell any of that funny stuff. I'll just continue to hold Doge with everyone because I don't want to miss out on anything myself. Anything could happen right now with Doge. It could just go straight to 60 cents, or it could not. Anything could happen. So I'm just kind of watching what Doge is doing right now. My money is up huge right now. I hope everyone else's money is up huge. And yeah, this is crazier than anything any of us could have ever imagined with Dogecoin. And to be honest, we all have to thank Elon Musk for this, because he is like one of the biggest people with Dogecoin. Even though he hasn't tweeted anything to make the growth now, he kind of started the effect with Dogecoin. Like, he talked about it, and now it's going to the moon just because he talked about it, just because he consistently talks about it. We just need Jeff Bezos to talk about it, but he hasn't tweeted in forever, so that may not happen. But as you can see, we're trading here with Dogecoin and HODL. HODL was originally used for Dogecoin, so we're trading for 2 things right now. But look at this. Huobi Look, Huobi says Dogecoin breaks above 50 cents. Retweet if you hodl Dogecoin. So leading crypto exchange. So yeah, I guess they offer Dogecoin too. That's pretty crazy. I've never heard of Huobi, but yeah, Dogecoin hits 47 cents. They're supporting Dogecoin here, and I guess they also have Dogecoin on their platform, or else they wouldn't be supporting it. So yeah, this is big. They have Dogecoin on their platform. I haven't used them before. I may try to use them. So if you all have used them, let me know in the description how they are, and I may use them. They say get 10 Doge when you register, verified deposit up to $170. So yeah, you could get money if you can get Doge if you sign up for Huobi. I might have to try that, but we might come back to that. I don't know yet. But yeah, hodl. I can hodl longer than you. Definitely, I want to see this at $20, because imagine that, or not at $20. I mean $1. I want to see this at $1 because I'll have $20,000 because I have 20k Doge now. But yeah, I've been fluctuating with Doge. My first starting amount was 27k Doge, and then I had sold out and I only had 11k. And I was like, yesterday I actually bought 10k more Doge, and I'm glad I did that because it went up overnight. So I made huge profit on that. Now one Doge is 50 cents, and honestly, Doge is doing something that no other crypto really has done. Like, we're continuing to have all these jumps in Doge, but we're really not losing that much value when we dip. Like, if you think about it, let's go over here. So look, when we jump with Doge, we usually dip like a little bit and then we go up continuously. We don't dip. We're not dipping as much as we did back here because it was constant growth here, but back here it was not constant growth. But one thing I will say, the jump that we just now had from 43 cents to 54 cents, that was a really big jump right there. So we may dip today or we may dip tomorrow, but that was a big jump compared to the rest of our jumps. I'm just speculating here with Doge. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm just kind of speculating. But typically with Doge, when it hits an all-time high, you can bet it's going to break that all-time high soon. That's how we're seeing it right now. And I wouldn't even be afraid that it's going down. I haven't even sold. I'm just going to hold it for the long term. Even though I wanted to, get a better dollar cost average, I'm still just going to hold Doge because I don't even see the point of, day trading, swing trading right now, because Doge is moving so much you can miss it at the blink of an eye. So I don't want to do that. But this is really significant. $26 billion traded into 24-hour value. You got to think about it. The GoPro company is worth like $1.2 billion. Dogecoin, $26.5 billion was traded within 24 hours, but GoPro hasn't generated $26.5 billion in GoPro. So that's something to think about here. Like, when you look at the market cap for, I don't want to just go over there because I looked at it on my previous video. So go ahead and look at it on the previous video. But I'll just look it up. GoPro market cap. It should show it up somewhere. I usually just do Yahoo Finance. It'll show it at the front of Yahoo Finance. $1.68 billion. So this is not kind of it. This is really big. Like, you just look up all these companies that have been around forever, and GoPro and Dogecoin's almost worth more than CVS. We're not worth more than them, but we're almost worth more than them. And CVS has thousands of locations all across the world. So for us to be almost worth more than them, they have thousands of physical locations. That's really big. And there's so many different stuff that you can look up that you could try to see if Dogecoin is better than. Like, you could look up anything at this point. Like, just type in any random number, and I'm pretty sure Dogecoin will be worth more than whatever you type. HR, I don't even know what this is. But yeah, Dogecoin is worth more than whatever it is. Healthcare Realty Trust Incorporated. It's only worth $4.5 billion. Dogecoin is worth $69 billion. But remember, Dogecoin can go down within a matter of seconds. If a whale sold off, let's go over here. Let's look at what would happen if a whale sold off a Dogecoin. If this whale right here with his 28.38% Dogecoin just sells off. Look, this was worth $13 billion a few days ago. But since Dogecoin keeps going up, now this wallet is worth $19 billion. It was only worth $13 billion, but now Dogecoin has went up in the last 2 days, and now it's worth $19 billion. and they have not sold any Dogecoin since then. This is huge. Yeah, I just like to watch this here though. The first time they had bought Dogecoin, 2019. So maybe this is not Robinhood's wallet, because Robinhood had Dogecoin before 2019, right? I'm not too sure, but I think they might have had it before 2019. I'm gonna have to look that up. When did Robinhood launch Dogecoin? 2018. Starting today, you can invest. So it was July 16th, 2018. That's when Robinhood got their first hands on Dogecoin. So that kind of confirms that this top wallet is not Robinhood. So that beats that rumor right there. All right, let's continue to look, because if they first acquired Dogecoin in 2018, July 16th, that's when that article came out, and that's when they said that they first got it. So maybe it could have been a few days before it, and they had to check it up. But this is not Robinhood right now. But they have not sold anything since 2014 in the second biggest Robinhood, in the second biggest wallet right here. They haven't sold any Dogecoin since 2014. So I'm looking for a wallet that first purchased Doge, which will be right here. This is the first purchase. First purchased at 2018. So that's what we're looking for. So it probably would take a really long time to even find Robinhood's wallet. So that means Robinhood is not the top wallet. That's all I wanted to establish there, because there's been a lot of rumors. Whoa, 56.72. We're still rising here with Doge, guys. I'm just astonished at what we're doing here. I was thinking about, selling out way back here at 55. I'm like, maybe we're not gonna keep going up. But no, that's not the case. We're gonna go to $1 with Doge, and that $1 will bring me to 20K. We go to $10 with Doge. That $10 will bring me to 200K. So I'm really excited here, because I know I'm about to get a lot of money here with Doge, and I have other accounts that have Doge in it that I really don't touch. So I'm trying to just, spread myself out there, just trying to have my hands inside of every single area of the crypto world. Yeah, 57 cents now. This is crazy. No one would have expected this with Doge, except me. But I did expect this. You can see, look at my videos from April 6th when we were 4 cents. I was like, everyone needs to go all in on Doge. If you went all in on Doge on April 6th, it was way back at 4 cents. So let's say you had $10,000, right? And then you wanted to invest right in at 4 cents, right? And then you wanted to resell that same Doge from 4 cents. You want to resell that same Doge right now at 57 cents. You would have 142K if you invested 10K when I told you to invest April 6th. You would have 142K if you invested when I told you to invest. So that's a big thing to think about here. Then once we get all the way up to $1, you would have 250K. So yeah, I really wish I had 10K back then. I did not have 10K way back then. I had my money in other places, and it was not all the way at 10K. I think I only had like 5K, and then I had to take it out for bills and other stuff. But see, that is the problem when you are trading cryptos though, because sometimes you can miss an opportunity because you have your money in something else. But we are continuing to rise here at 58 cents. Honestly, we can do 68 cents today. I'm not even gonna lie. We can do 68 cents. We can do 60 cents today, I mean. But this is crazy. Those just continuing to go up here. I went to sleep last night. I had like 9K on me, and I woke up, had about 12. So this is going crazy here. We just have to wait for this to see what it'll kind of do. Honestly, I expect it to go up to 60 cents today at this point, because we're just going too crazy to not hit 60 cents. And that will be our resistance if you do think about it. But honestly, when we do hit 60, we will drop back down. And this was a lot of growth. So if we drop, I would say we won't drop below 54 cents or 55 cents. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. That's just what I'm predicting. If we do what we just now did right here and continue to go down, if this continues to drop, 50 cents or 54 cents or 55 cents. Could be either one, but at this point, Doge did the same thing back here. It dipped a little bit and then it went up even more. So the next jump that we have, the next spike, could actually be our 60-cent spike. So that's something to think about here with Doge. Doge is going crazy. Everybody's going crazy with Doge right now. But yeah, there's just so much Doge news going on. I don't even know what to do with Doge. Like, I'm just gonna hold it, and I'm not gonna let Doge go. Cause honestly, think about Doge at $10. Like that's the more wider perspective. Cause you already see what we have already. We already have 69 billion in. Look at this, $69 billion in market cap, and 26 billion in the last 24 hours. So that means we have the potential. Like, looking at this ratio right here, this is a 50% ratio. Like 50% to market, 50% to 24-hour volume, which means there's 50% people holding Doge and there's 50% people trading it, just using it as a currency. So that's good news right there with Doge. And honestly, what I would say that we could expect with Doge next, the next thing would be $1, and then after that, we are going to see $10 Doge. This is no doubt, we are going to see $10 Doge. Like, hands down, no cap, $10 Doge. This is what we are about to see. We are going to be above Bitcoin. This may take a while, but we are at $70 billion in market cap. $70 billion. I said we would pass this, and we did. We are way past 70 billion. We're going up with Doge. So much money is flowing through Dogecoin right now. We are the number one trending everywhere you go. Number one trending. Let's look over here. Just look at this. Stocks are flanting in Ethereum, Doge, Blast. Forget Dogecoin. Look at this. The Motley Fool. They do it again. Forget Dogecoin. These tech stocks are better buys right now. Really, tech stocks are better buys. You get Dogecoin doubled within a week. I mean, it's whatever. The Motley Fool will say whatever they want. Dogecoin literally doubled in a week. But you can't help everybody. Not everybody can be helped. So yeah, eToro is definitely benefiting from this because they just now allowed Doge to be traded yesterday. So eToro is definitely benefiting from all of this craziness with Doge. And honestly, I kind of expected something bigger to be happening with Doge. And what I mean by bigger, I mean, like, I kind of expected something else to drive this, but the Saturday Night Live is enough to drive this. All the attention Doge is getting on the media is enough to drive this. So Dogecoin is going crazy, not because of Elon Musk right now, but because it's Dogecoin. That's why it's going crazy. It's not going crazy because someone's tweeting about it. It's going crazy because Dogecoin has potential. And yeah, that's what we're seeing here. Dogecoin is going to continue to rise. And honestly, if you're not holding Dogecoin to the moon, I don't know what you're doing. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice. I'm holding Dogecoin to the moon. I don't know about you, but yeah, this is just a little short update on what we're doing with Dogecoin because we are going crazy with it. I'm getting a new hardware wallet, so I'm going to be doing a video on hardware wallets. And I also am starting to mine Dogecoin, so I'm going to be doing videos about how to mine Dogecoin. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. Check out the links in the description. You can get free stocks, you can get free crypto, all of that for those links. If you just sign up there, I've signed up for all of them, and currently I use RobinhoodCrypto.com and Webull, and public still off the fence about it. Don't know if I'm sure about a social media investment platform, but I'm still trying out public, so definitely check that out too. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.